Now let's start the class. Good morning, everyone. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
So I
Good
know
morning.
you all are very excited today after Diwali celebration in your classes. Yes, you all have enjoyed, I hope. Now turn on your camera, Moksh and Shivangini and Viha. So today I don't have any much writing work with you all because I know you are not in a writing mood today. For Diwali break, I suggest you to learn the tables and learn mental maths calculations. Okay. So today I have a very nice story related with chapter number 10, Play with Patterns. In the story, they will explain you about all the patterns and you will really enjoy it. Okay, so let me present the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I also help you fill in the colors?
Okay, Buzz, but be careful. Don't spoil my rangoli.
See, they will show you patterns in Rangoli,
What are you
triangle pattern,
doing,
magic
Buzz?
pattern, square, everything
I
you will
am
see in
helping
this
Meenu.
story.
See, I am putting colors in the rangoli.
But Buzz, you are not following a pattern.
Yeah, please look here on the screen
A
here.
pattern? What
Here.
is that?
Look, first it is blue, then it is red, then it is yellow, and then it is green. You have to follow the same pattern. Otherwise, the rangoli will not look good.
Oh, sorry, Meenu. I did not know about patterns.
Buzz, look at Ma's sari. That's hanging there. Can you see the design? Can you see there is a pattern?
Yes, I can see the pattern and design. It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful because it has a pattern. Look, the body of the sari has a full design and the ends have half designs.
Oh, so there has to be a proper pattern.
Yes, Buzz. Can you get me some leaves? I will tell you how to make patterns.
Patterns with leaves? Okay, I will get leaves.
Thank you, Buzz. Let me arrange these leaves.
Who's ready to hatch some cool pets? Click here.
Ma'am, voice.
It's coming. Voice is not coming because they are making the pattern.
Oh. Ma'am, you mute that.
No,
Look,
it is on.
this is a pattern. Can you continue this?
Oh, I can.
Those who have joined late, please listen. Today I have a story for the patterns with you all. Please listen the story.
Ma'am, patterns?
Patterns. How she had made the continue pattern. First she had learned.
Is this correct?
Yes, Buzz. Now let me do a pattern with these sticks. You try and continue in the same pattern.
Ma'am, they are making a square. They are making a square.
Ma'am, a whole square.
I have done it. Now I know about patterns.
Pattern is not just this. We can make patterns with numbers and letters of the alphabet also. Chinu, we will use the board that Papa got for us. Let me start a pattern.
Good morning, everybody. Even I like patterns. I will also do it with you.
Good morning, Futta. Okay, let me write the first pattern. Okay, watch carefully, Buzz. A B C D E F. Can you continue the next three?
This is easy, Meenu. It is G S
Can you see the pattern is there? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, then I, J,
J, then
J
A, L,
L,
and so on.
and K
K,
L.
L,
That's smart, Buzz. Futta, will you try now? 5 105 205.
What will be the next, students?
305, 405,
Yes.
405, 405,
305.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, last is 505.
So as many as the blanks are given to you, you have to complete the
405.
pattern. Then 505 and so on.
Last is 505.
And 505. I will write one now.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire,
15 F 15
E,
E
So can you guess what will be the next?
15D. 15D.
F,
D, D.
yeah, it is going backward to the alphabet.
Meenu,
Yes, ma'am.
can you do it?
Can you do it? Yes. 15 B,
15C.
very good, very good. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself.
15B.
Write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, first is 15A. Yeah, 15A.
And 15A.
Oh, this was different. Can you give me one, Futta?
Sure,
इनमें
Buzz.
काउंट कर
Try
कितना
this.
पंखा है 2 by the 9.
Moin, please mute yourself. Moin Kuledi, please mute yourself.
555. 455.
What will be the next?
355. 300. 4 and
255.
Write it in the chat box like Pragyan is writing.
This is not
Pragyan is
easy.
writing, no? This way, please write it in the chat
But
box.
it is easy. Just think. It is 255 155
And the last
and
will be
55.
55 only.
Oh, you have to subtract 100 each time. It will be easy if we have to add 100.
But it will not be adding all the time. That's why you have to look at a pattern carefully. Okay, now I will draw a number box. Buzz, can you see a pattern?
A pattern? No, I can only see 1, 2, 3 again and again.
See, check 1, 2, 3. We have done this pattern, no?
Look
But it should be in
at
such
each
a way that the
line.
number will not
Can
repeat in
you
the line.
see that the numbers are not repeated in any line? They come only once in each line.
Oh yes, no number comes twice in any line. So, that is the pattern.
Now, I will do the same thing with the letters A, B and C. I will not repeat the letters in any line. Look at my letter box. It is just like Chinu's number box.
I can draw a magic cloud pattern for you.
Magic cloud pattern? Meenu, I want to see the magic. Please draw it fast.
Okay, Buzz. Look at this now. Let us add each line. Can you all add?
This line is 2 plus 4 plus 6,
12.
which is 12. It is 12.
It is similar to magic squares and magic.
This
Triangle.
line is 3 plus 4 plus 5.
Only the name has
Which is
changed
12.
to the magic cloud.
I will add
Jignesh,
one
turn on your
line.
camera, please.
1 plus 5
Viha,
plus
Shivangini,
6.
Mokshia, Pritika,
That
turn on
is
your camera, please.
6 plus 6, which is 12.
Swani, turn on your
Oh,
camera,
Meenu,
please.
you are right. This is like magic. The
Ritika,
numbers
Vedi,
in
Dhwani.
each line add up to 12.
Sit with your camera
That's
on.
right, Buzz. Even in this line, it is 2
Everyone
plus
understood till here?
plus 7, which is 12. So, this is my magic cloud pattern.
Let me also try a magic marble pattern. I will use numbers from 1 to 9 in this pattern. Buzz, look, each of these lines will add up to 15. Okay, Chinu.
This
That
we have
must
done
be
no as a
fun.
magic square.
Let us
They are
add
giving the
up
name as
the
a magic
numbers
marble.
in each line.
Marble
The
pattern.
top line is 4 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 15. Next line is
Yes, Dhwani, please go.
3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 15. Last line is 8 plus 1
Viha said properly.
plus 6 is equal to 15.
Viha said
Oh,
properly.
that's magic, Chinu.
But
So this
it's
is
not
clear
full
to
magic.
everyone. This
Chinu said
pattern
all the
also.
lines will add up to 15. We should add the other lines also.
Add up. Add up, Buzz. You.
Plus 5,
See, this is the
Plus
another
4.
example.
which is equal to 15.
15. Now
Use
comes the magic
numbers
triangle.
from
I
1
have to go little
to
fast
6.
because it's a big
If you
story.
add up each side of the triangle, it will all add up to 9.
Let me add the 3 sides of the triangle. 2
See, plus.
plus 6
So they have used the
plus
number 1 to
1
6.
is
such a way-
equal to 9.
So the total is coming 9.
3 plus 4
I will
Plus
add up all the
The
3
three
sides.
If you want to achieve better results,
1 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 10.
This is an
5.
example of magic
Plus 2
triangle.
plus 3 is
Now let's
equal
move
to
to the
10.
next one. You have done number tower, students.
1 plus
Can I move
6
to the number tower?
plus 3
Okay.
is equal to 10.
This is coming the number tower. Wait.
Is 3 is equal to
plus
2 is equal to 3.
I will write 3 here. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now
What will come at the top?
add 3
Yes,
and
Pragyan. Very
5.
good.
3 plus 5
What will come, students?
is equal to 8.
8. So number tower is also clear to you all?
Our number tower is made.
Very good. Moment,
This
you have written
number
somewhere
tower
88.
is interesting, Chinu. I will make more following the same pattern. Let me write the bottom row first. 5, 10, 15, 20.
Meenu, wait. Let me add.
So
5.
students, can you tell me what will come here in this box?
Ma'am, 25. Hello,
This
ma'am,
box.
25.
This box, this box.
This box.
How 35? My cursor is there. What will come here? 5 plus 10. What will come here? 15. What will come here?
Ma'am, here it will come 25.
25. 10 plus 15, 25. And what will come here in the third box?
35.
Yes. So let's check the buzz is correct or not. Now, wait a minute. So as you can see here, 15 plus 25 is 40. What will come here in this box? Am I audible, right? Please speak, students, if I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Not 20, it will come 60. Yes. Very good. And then at the top, what will come?
100.
Now I will add
40 plus 60 is 100 at the
plus
top.
60 is equal to 100.
40 plus 60 is equal to 100.
This number tower is good, Meenu. It has become 100.
Okay, now I will show you some more magic. Even better than a number tower. Let me write some numbers on the ground. Watch me carefully.
Ma'am, how it is possible to write on the ground with pencil?
They are showing you, but you can write with the
Oh,
stick,
it's
no?
so
Or you
simple.
can write with the
I can
chalk
read
or
the
the duster
numbers.
or the marker.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, these numbers look simple. Now, watch the magic. I will add the first number and the last number. 9 plus
This also we
12
have done, no?
is
When we
equal
take
to
the continue
21.
numbers and take
Now
one number
I
from
will
last and one
add
number from first
the
and add them.
middle two numbers.
See, 9 plus 12 is also
10
21.
plus
11
11
is also
is
21.
equal to 21.
But please remember, take the
Oh,
sequence of
it
the
is
numbers,
magic, Chinu.
even numbers.
Can we do it with
Not the
any
odd
number?
Yes, you can, Baz. Let me do it with any 6 numbers now. 4, 5, 6, 7.
So can you tell me,
8,
students, what the
9.
total will come each time? Please speak now. 4 plus 9 will be what?
13.
13.
13.
Plus 8 will be?
5 plus 8 is equal to 13.
13. And 6 plus 7 is also?
13.
13. So from first number and then last number, if we are taking and we are adding them, then we are getting the same answer. But remember, the numbers should be in the sequence like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And it should be the even. Like 6 numbers लिए हैं, या तो 8 numbers, या 10 numbers, या 12 numbers लोगे, तभी possible है. It will not possible with the odd numbers. If you take any 5 numbers, it will not be possible. Clear?
Yes.
Let us follow.
So can I will
You
move a
must
little
look.
fast here.
Yes.
Just a minute.
Four
Now
numbers
he is
now.
doing with the 4 numbers.
I don't have to start with 1. I will start 18 to 22 and then 22 to 26. Shall
Now
I?
children, this method also we have done. When you take the consecutive numbers, regular numbers like 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, then you can see the gap between the numbers will be equal, same, like difference between 6 and 9 is 3 numbers, 9 and 12 is 3 numbers. How? Because we have taken the consecutive numbers, the regular numbers like 1, 2, 3, then 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, and then you can take 4, 5, 6, and then 5, 6, 7 if you are taking the consecutive numbers, and then you can see the gap between the numbers will be same. Done. If you're taking 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way, if you take 5 numbers each time, and then you can see the gap between the numbers will be of 5 numbers. अभी आपने 3 numbers लिए तो gap it will be 3. If you take 5 numbers, the gap it will be 5 numbers. Just a minute.
Goes from 6 to 9,
Then I will move
18 to 22, and B, C, D.
the code also we have learned, students. If you have remember the code and decoding we have done. Here also they are giving the codes to the numbers. A is 1. Now see if they are making the codes. So 25 is for Y, right? And E is 5. 19 is yes. So which word is coming with this code? Students, can you tell me which word is coming? Y-E-S.
Yes.
Y-E-S. Yes will come. 19 is for S. Clear? Can I move ahead?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see the next code is written 10, 21, 13 and 16. Can you tell me which word is this? 10 is for which letter?
J.
J. 21 is for which letter?
U.
13 is for which letter?
N.
M or N?
N.
It will be M.
N.
And then 16 is for which
P.
letter?
P.
So which word is coming?
Jump.
Jump.
Ma'am, I didn't count out 16, but JUM, that's why I said
Yeah.
P.
Jump. So JUMP. Now this is the code given. I think this is in your books also given, the big code. And you have find out the
Yes,
name
ma'am.
also. Just a minute, students.
Good evening.
Yeah, we have done no good evening and good night and good afternoon, which is given in the textbook.
Yes.
So this is good morning. Now go to the next. 10, 20, 30. What will be the next, students?
40, 50, 60.
40, 50, 60.
Ma'am,
5, 10.
40, 50, 60. 40, 50, 60.
Common, listen here now. This is the last warning now. I will remove you from my class if you do like this. 5A, 5B, 5C. What will be the next, students? 5D.
5D, ma'am, 5D.
And what will be the after 5D?
5E, 5B.
5E. And what will after 5E, Dhwani?
5F.
5F. Unmute your mic and speak, Dhwani.
5F.
Yes. Now here also, you can see many patterns after 10. This is done. Now 45K, 45L, JKLM. Then what will come? N, then O, then P, and 45 remain the same.
Same.
Got it? Go to the next pattern. This we have done. C, D, E, F, G. Now 50, 150, 250. What will be the next? What will be the next, student?
350.
Then after 350,
450.
yes, 450 and 550.
550.
Now see the number tower. Now what will come here at the question mark?
8.
8. What will come after 8?
9.
Now 9. बेटा आपको ये दो नंबर्स को ऐड करना है, 5 and 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 5 plus 7 is
5 plus 7 is
12. So here is 8. Here is 12. What will come at the top?
17.
No. 8 plus 12 is 17.
12. No.
12. 8 plus 12 is what at the top?
20.
20.
20. Yes, 20. Please do practice in these holidays.
Ma'am, I thought that you said 6.
Now, what will come here at the question mark, students?
10.
10.
10. What will come after this?
15.
How 15? 6 plus 8 is 15.
14.
15.
14.
14. 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14. And then what will come here at the last? 18. So this way the number tower will keep on increasing. What will come here at the question mark?
24.
What will come after this?
Ma'am, I'm writing in chat box. It's okay.
Yeah, good.
32.
32. Yes.
32.
What will come here?
16. 30. 40.
20, 30, 40 will come here. Yes. And what will come here next?
56.
56. So 40 plus 56. What will go at the top?
106.
96.
90.
Clear? Now
Yes.
tell me what will come here at the question mark?
80.
80, ma'am.
80. What will come here next?
120.
So 120 plus 80. What will go at the top?
200.
200. कहाँ से 400 घरे?
Ma'am, I have pressed 200.
Okay. Very good. Now 2 and 3. Now we take one number from the last and one number from the first. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Now next is 3 plus 6 is?
9.
And 4 plus 5 is?
9.
That
Plus
also
9.
9.
9.
Just a minute. So many hands are coming in between. Na?
This 4th head.
So many, ma'am.
Now 10 and 13, 23. 11 and 12 is also 23. This way you do practice with this. Now come on the code messages. 8, 5, 12. Can you please decode this message? 8 is H. 5 is E. 12 is? What is 12, students? It is there on your screen. L.
Yes, ma'am.
And times L.
Ma'am, O.
So which word is coming?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Can you decode this message?
Hello. Please. Please.
Please. Yes, please. Can you decode this message?
Thank you.
20, 40.
Ma'am, thank you. Yes. Thank
And 8 is H.
Thank you.
1
Yes,
is
ma'am.
A.
Thank you.
Here.
And 14 is
N.
N. And 11 is
Is
K. So it
11
will
is
be
K.
thank you.
thank you.
Thank you. Next is, can you decode this message?
Sorry.
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 Sorry,
Let
ma'am.
me see.
Sorry. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
And this is?
I
I am a rider.
No. Please decode it. Letters के साथ alphabets निकालो. Decode it. Decode it, please.
Night.
What?
I am a night. No.
What will be the next, students? I am an Indian. आपके पास numbers है. You are not taking the.
I am Indian.
Yes.
Yes, I am an Indian.
I am an Indian.
I am an Indian.
Okay. So thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye,
Enjoy
ma'am.
the holidays.
God
Learn
bless you.
tables. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Good day.
Just a minute.
Good day.
Bye, Jignesh.
Thank you.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Happy Diwali to all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Diwali,
Jignesh.
ma'am.